In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your browsing experience by enabling the Fade Sleeping Tabs feature in Microsoft Edge. This feature is a handy tool for improving browser performance and is especially useful if you tend to keep many tabs open at the same time. It not only helps in conserving your computer's resources, but also improves overall efficiency. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. If you're not already there, go ahead and launch the browser on your device. Once Edge is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see three small dots arranged vertically. These dots are essentially your gateway to the various settings and options available in Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This will open a drop-down menu, providing you with a list of options to choose from. Within this list, you'll want to locate and click on Settings. It's usually found toward the bottom of the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the main settings page of Microsoft Edge, which is where you can customize and optimize your browsing settings to suit your preferences and needs. Once you're on the settings page, pay attention to the list on the left-hand side. Here, make sure to select System and Performance. This section is vital for tweaking and enhancing how Microsoft Edge functions on your computer. By accessing this area, you're one step closer to enabling the Fade Sleeping Tabs feature, which will considerably boost your browser's performance. As you navigate through the System and Performance options, keep an eye out for the Performance setting. Click on it to delve deeper into the performance optimization settings. This area contains valuable features that can help you streamline Edge's operation and efficiency. Once you're in the Performance section, look for the option labeled Fade Sleeping Tabs. This particular feature is designed to dim the tabs that go inactive after a certain period. This action saves memory and processing power, as inactive tabs aren't using up as much of your computer's resources. To activate Fade Sleeping Tabs, simply find the toggle located to the right of this feature. By clicking on it, the toggle will switch position, effectively enabling this feature. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through Microsoft Edge's settings to turn on Fade Sleeping Tabs. This small change can make a big difference in how your browser performs, especially if you're a multitasker who juggles numerous tabs simultaneously. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has helped streamline your browsing.